Good morning, Iron Horse Middle School. Today is Tuesday, September 7th, 2021, and here are your morning announcements. Please join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Iron Horse Mission Statement.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The mission of Iron Horse Middle School is to educate, inspire, and empower our students in a safe and equitable learning environment. Christian Club will be meeting every Thursday in the IMR from 3 to 4 p.m. right after school. They'll be holding their first official meeting this Thursday, so don't forget to come. If you're interested, if you have questions, please email Ms. Brown, their advisor, at jbrown02@srvusd.net. Also, the Anime Club will be beginning on Wednesday, September 22nd, right after school in the library. For more information, reach out to Ms. Martin in the library. And teachers, students have been rostered for Plus Time so that we can get signed up for tutorials. If you could begin getting your students logged into Plus Time today, right after the announcements, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. All right, Jaguars, that is all that we've got for this morning. Please, let's have the best Tuesday of the week.